Mr. Speaker, I wanted to bring to the attention of the Chair Budget Committee that, Mr. Speaker, doing the appropriation is one thing, but having the real money is another thing, Mr. Speaker. He has sold here a rosy, Mr. Speaker, a heavenly affair that we have given 1 billion to this man, 2 billion to that lady. But, Mr. Speaker, what is the level of absorption, Mr. Speaker? Will this money really come to the...
He's an optimist, you are a pessimist. That makes the
Honorable Speaker, in answering Honorable Junet, as I started the moving of this bill, if you realized, I actually took the first minutes to talk about the supplementary estimates too. It was deliberate. It was deliberate to show that there are only marginal changes that you are making to the budget you are exiting. And we also anticipate to have actually almost no changes in the budget of 2023-2024 because we have been very modest, we have been very realistic in the projection of revenues. But as I come to the close, Honorable Speaker, it is good to also highlight that we allocated Kenya shillings, 5 billion Kenya shillings to fertilizer subsidy so that our farmers, and I want to assure the farmers of Kenya from this house, that as we go to the next season, both the small season and the other one, Honorable Speaker, the Kenyan farmers will be buying fertilizer at a cheaper price than they bought last season, Honorable Speaker, because we have allocated enough monies for the subsidy. Honorable Speaker,